What is up, everybody? How you doing today? My name is David Franco and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I appreciate your stopping here. Thank you so much. So last week I uploaded a rather long video about my 2021 Tesla Model 3 and just a handful of features that I love about it, because seriously, this car does so much right. But one thing I didn't mention, and this isn't really up to Tesla, this is something you can do in any car. I mean, as long as you have a windshield, and let's hope you have a windshield. Well, today's video is about how I vlog in my Tesla, safely of course, and there are a wide variety of car mounts that you can get. I mean, guys, there's so many mounts out there, from cheap $5 to $8 mounts to $40 mounts, and that's exactly what mine costs. But with that said, let me tell you guys this, it's easily worth the price. Allow me to explain. All right, so here's the GoPro I use while vlogging on the go. This is the GoPro Hero 10. Excellent camera, far from perfect, but it's got kind of a monopoly in the whole action camera market, but that's a whole other video. But for what it is, it's an excellent camera. And this is the mount I'm using. It doesn't look like anything special, right? But this is where it truly stands out, guys. This little quick release clip makes it so easy to quickly mount and dismount, or unmount, I'm not sure there, the GoPro at a moment's notice. Okay, so guys, gotta be honest, most people are probably perfectly okay screwing in and unscrewing that typical GoPro accessory, you know, little screw mount that you get with most accessories, you know? But me personally, I just find that frustrating. So this is why I love the mount so much. This quick release clip is an absolute game changer. Okay, so I'm recording this video using one hand, and I definitely need two hands to get this done. But basically, you take this part of the GoPro, right? And you insert it into the mount, and then you simply put the clip in, turn it, and then push it down. Okay, so the GoPro is sitting in the mounts, and boom, it's that easy. Now I can turn the GoPro on and vlog. It really is that simple, guys. By far, the best GoPro car mount I've ever used. Again, $40. I believe it's $40. I mean, the price could have gone up, it could have gone down, but I'm pretty sure it's still $40. But if you vlog in the car as much as I do, I'm telling you, it is worth it, because I love my Model 3. There are very few things I dislike about it, but the overall simplicity of the dashboard leaves me pretty much no room to sit the GoPro like I could on my 2010 Mazda 3. And that's not a bad thing about the Tesla. This is just a different beast than my Mazda, you know? All right, so hold on. Before I wrap up this video, because I know it's not that exciting, guys, but there's only so much I can say about a mount. I'm going to put my car in Autopilot and quickly demonstrate to you how easy it is to take the GoPro off the mount at a moment's notice. So let me activate Autopilot. Actually, one second. There's someone. There's an Amish dude on the crosswalk. I don't want to take the chance. You know, it's just not worth killing someone over. Okay. Speed limit has increased. Autopilot. Okay. Hands-free, right? Check this out. Now, you're gonna get a bit of camera noise when I do this, but boom. Check it out, guys. The GoPro is off the mount. How awesome is that? You gotta love it. And it's that easy. Guys, if you're interested, I will link the GoPro mount right below. Treat yourself, I'm telling you. If you vlog in the car as much as I do, it's worth every penny. It is worth every single penny. By far, the best mount I've ever used. And that's it. There's only so much I can say about a mount. Again, this video is not nearly as exciting as last week's video. Let me zoom past these people. You know, where I went through all those features. And I know I'm kind of defeating the purpose of the mount right now by actually holding the camera, but I'm not going to remount it right now because I don't want to be overly dangerous. But guys, thank you so much. It's linked right below. Enjoy. And of course, I hope you guys are having a great day. And as I like to say, don't forget to hug your loved ones, because tomorrow is never promised. I'll see you next time.